Hi, I'm Sean from Make It Easy, and today we're going to make this GoPro mount. So just a couple notes. You may have realized that that's not a real GoPro. It's a GoPro knockoff, but you can make your mount to fit your camera. Because I used a 1/4 20 T-nut and bolts to make the mount, this part of the mount can be attached to the camera and can go in any kind of standard tripod mount. The rest of the mount can be used for any camera that has a 1/4 20 receiver on the bottom. So I put one of these mounts over my lathe bench, over my bandsaw, and over my workbench. I'll probably put one over my electronics bench as well, and this will allow me to take a quick video whenever I need to. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. You can find a link to PDF plans for my camera below.